The Tamron 17-70mm f2.8 dye III-A VC RXD lens offers a versatile zoom range that makes it perfect for various photography needs from wide-angle to short telephoto shots. Its constant maximum aperture of f2.8 allows photographers to capture stunning images even in challenging lighting conditions, providing excellent control over depth of field. This lens is specifically designed for APS-C format Sony E-mount mirrorless cameras, making it compatible with a wide range of models such as the A6000 and A6600. Included in this comprehensive bundle are essential accessories like a packable bag, memory card, mini tripod, and cleaning kit, enhancing the overall photography experience. The lens comes with a Tamron SP front lens cap, rear lens cap, and a lens hood, ensuring your gear is well protected and ready for any shoot. With its combination of performance and practical accessories, this lens bundle is an excellent choice for both amateur photographers and seasoned professionals.